Hey guys, Video Game Brawlers here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of another one of Bakugan Battle Brawlers knockoff counterfeit toys from at my home, or my room, at toy room at home. I bought was Trash and Treasures. The back is a Korean version. Okay, let's go open up our phones a bit closer up on the Bakugan here. Okay, so here comes the boxes. We have 3 gate cards. Here, good leg, toys, and Trash and Treasures. Yeah. So here we have 1 Pyrus, 1 Bakugan, and 2 Octopus, and then 2 different Octopus. There's blue 1 Octopus, and then 2 purple, one Bakugan Octopus, and 1 purple Octopus, Juggernoid Octopus version. Different colors right here. So first up, here's so here we are. First up, Dragonoid. Here's a Dragon. Here is cool. Here we have a Aqua's Blue Falconeer. Aqua's Blue Falconeer. Here. And there here. And last one. This is blue. And then purple Bakugan Aqua's Juggernoid. Wow. This is a very cool Dragonoid. This is same different purple color. It's like rare Bakugan toy is blue version for rare Bakugan here. So this is a 3 packs of Bakugan Battle Brawlers knockoff counterfeit toys, Dragonoid, Falconeer, and Juggernoid. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Click here to watch the Video Game Brawlers unboxing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click here to the bell. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time everybody. Bye!